Oh guys, here we got Biggest of Fortunes, something that we got this dingy princess thing on the button no more. He goes for why the fuck you have this? I thought it was cool. It's only $10 information. The blade's in horrible shape, which I don't know what's on yachty. Look at all the Bobby stuff is still good, still white pink. And white pink come off when I tried to clean the blade, so yeah. It can 100% clean and had some incandescent candle bulbs, those got hot in the lights with it. And it looks good this so right off. Doing this decent fanboys, not the piss, but actually both. There's not going to say some highs this year, but it both slow as fast as fuck. Boys will be up by going back best I could. Still walls big because I hit the greatest, but some more work too, I think. Well, the lower section running quite breeze. There's like a medium speed and some fans. Which, yeah, it was a green, but still, I felt like pitching the boys were gone, so Bowls only speed wasn't wobbling. Maybe, I to a bit wobble a bit. Which workers you could breathe, so you still fan water. Spend water you could breathe, stressors with the kitchen. You don't want too much if you kids sometimes. Alright, let's see here. One, two, three. Pretty good. High's not much faster. Other things got back faster. So it's definitely faster, but it's not too fast. It's boring a lot for me. It feels like high speed, a lot of fans, which I thought is interesting how much everything moves. Sports don't let that pitch, but yeah. So it's good fun for this. I couldn't talk to this, put it up there. Me, upset. I can't walk behind the camera because there's enough room between the tripod and the shot head back here, really. Fuck. Triple fucking blades. Let's go to high speed. Pussies! Actually, I do it to go pretty fast. I'm obviously actually to go pretty fast. They're both really good for years, like I said. So way more and more on have. It's kind of cool. Sounds like a industrial. Kind of really stand under it and just. Well, it's moving there. Because for this, it's person. I recommend it because those have a girl, even if a boy wants this, I doubt, but some boys already share this, which is alright. But if the kid don't want this, or you want for collection item, or the Barbie collection, you put this in it, it's beautiful, so I recommend it, honestly. It's, no offense, boy. The paint on the bottom of the blade is cheap. That's the main time I done that. I don't have to have just noise on there. Pick on pussies. Alright, let's do spin down. I don't know how long it's gonna take. We'll see. Hopefully not too long. It's still going. I'm the Vegas, but we have really hot weather here. The humidity is so bad, like 98 degrees, been there feel like 109. So it's been 110 degrees here in St. Louis for 4 days, and it's supposed to be at that for the rest of the week. And goddamn, in the morning, it's so humid, everything's so foggy and sticky, and you bounce up from that in 2 minutes, fucking short sticks, you fucking barely, it's fucking disgusting. It's morning. In fact, I'm getting hot just standing right here. House is cool. Sometimes I just get hot. Most be pussies is a plastic haze. There's some balls a bit and balls. Whatever. As a grandma, it's just hug over here. I just got hot though. Turn it down low. Yeah, to go fast as the new this one's stuck in there for a second too. Yep, I fell in the doorway already. All of it. Ouch. That's weird. I don't feel in the doorway, but if I go in the doorway, I do feel breeze. This one's blowing above my pinball. Yeah, there it goes. Blowing higher than most things, except for blowing on my in the doorway. Wait. Suppose I didn't fall off yet. Right, pushy. I'm migrating from outside, but I gotta be wrong. You can't stop.